So guys, welcome to the second session. Third session. Today we are going to start dismantling the front wings, remove the tub, and as you can see, what have we got here? To-do list.
To-do list so we can get out of here before the sun sets.
Fair enough. Copy that. So we're going to remove the tub, take the front inner guards off, take the bonnet off, and also start hopefully dismantling around the gearbox tunnel so we can expose them, and potentially if we've got enough time we can take the seat box out, and then that will free up a lot of space to remove the engine and gearbox. But as you can see, we have made some progress last night, and hopefully today we will be able to get a little bit more done.
So remove bonnet, remove tub.
Remove inner guards.
Remove inner guards.
And yeah, I reckon let's just keep it at that. Anything else is a bonus.
Is there a lunch break or no?
No lunch break.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Definitely makes sense removing this tailgate out. So what we can do with this is we'll pull all these the clips out first, and then once that's done we can unloop this and remove the chain off. Excellent. Go for it.
Got it.
Next. All right, next one. Yep, ready when you are. Keep some pressure on it. Yep. Awesome. Is that loose?
Yeah. Hey, could you make sure you keep these screws together, please? Could you make sure you keep these screws together, please?
I am. What do you think I'm doing? No washer, no spring washer. Surprised this thing didn't rattle apart.
I'm just giving you the sass back, just saying. Okay. Can you please keep these in this together? What do you think I'm doing? It's not my first rodeo. Actually, it is.
So after getting told off by Meg a few times for not keeping the fixings together, apparently, we went about undoing the other side and getting the tank off. one. I realised that this definitely wasn't my day. We had removed all the mounts, but there was still cabling and some straps that were still holding the body to the chassis. So with everything cut, we were able to freely get the body completely off and move on to the next job. Yeah, alright, we're going to have to repair all that. Yum. Perfect. Alright, well,